Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious split peas flour dumplings. To get started, I have some split peas flour, of course, and some all-purpose flour. I will be using some warm water, baking powder, sugar, salt, and some parsley. So the first thing you want to do is combine all your ingredients. Add the sugar, salt, baking powder, and the parsley to the flours. Mix well and set aside. Next, you want to add water a little at a time until you form a nice soft dough. Now, if by chance you add too much water, you can add some flour to make sure that you have the right consistency. Once your dough is formed, you want to cover and allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, after which we will pinch pieces of the dough off to make our dumplings. You can make them as big or as small as you like. It's all about personal preference. You could also form them in whatever shape you prefer. Today I choose to make the round dumplings. You will carry on with this step until you're all done, and then I'll show you all what's next. So here I have a pot of water preheating, and now I will drop my dumplings in here, and you want to cover these and allow them to cook for about 10 minutes. 5 minutes in, you want to go in and just give them a flip, just to make sure they're being cooked evenly on all sides. After about 10 minutes, you want to remove them, allow them to drain, and what I did was brush some melted butter over top, and it was amazing. Imagine this in some soup, guys. But I did enjoy mine with some loud stew fish, and it was perfect. I can't wait for you all to give this recipe a try. You all will love it, especially if you're a Guyanese. You're gonna love this one. And here you have it, my version of split peas flour dumplings. This will pair well with some soup, curry, or even stew. Like I said, I paired mine with some stew fish, and it was absolutely amazing, unlike anything I've ever had before. It was so different, and that's what I love about it. Now let's take a look at the inside of the dumplings. It was so moist, perfectly cooked, fluffy, and amazing. I can't wait for you all to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.